So in this video we will write our first program, which is hello world program. So let's move that very first and quickly. So the Deno can run the files from an URL. That's the main feature of the Deno. It can have some drawbacks because this URL that we are running can be malicious, but it's a feature of Deno.js and it's very cool. So as you can see, it's from Denoland, the creators of Deno.js, and we are running welcome TypeScript file here. So after we run this, we will create a TypeScript file and run it, and Deno has a built-in compiler for TypeScript, which makes our job a lot easier. So we will easily run our TypeScript codes and compile it, and we're good to go. So let's see all this in action. So before creating the folders and etc., I will run the Deno from the URL. So I will just say Deno run, and I will show the URL here. You can just copy and paste this command to see. As you can see, there is a welcome message here, welcome to the Deno. It's an output of that file that we run. So now let's add a folder to our project. That's why we're going to file and add folder to workspace. So from the desktop, I'll create a file or folder called Deno course. Okay, and I will import that and add. Okay, it's our codes, and it's already codes from our course, so I will just share them with you in the GitHub. So here so we're creating a file inside that. So I'll say first program.ts. okay, inside that I'll write simple console log hello world, and I will save it with Ctrl S. And coming here, we are in the codes folder. Okay, I'll go into cd, I'll back and cd Deno course folder. Okay, no, I'm in the wrong folder, I guess. I should go to desktop, one more. Okay, and then I will cd into Deno course. Okay, I'm in the wrong, I'm in a right folder now, so I'll clear this. So to run this file, first program ts, we are using Deno run. So we'll learn the command line commands in the next videos, but I'm really wanna show you how it works. That's why I'm writing here. So I'll say my file name. So as you can see, it's checking, and this is converting to JavaScript and running and outputting hello world. So that's all we have to do, writing and running here.